Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Oanda to MetaTrader 5. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because creating an account, I created one video with how you can create an account for a demo account and a real life trading account. So check out that video if you don't have any idea how to create an account. But once you created an account, you see right here this screen. Then click right here maybe on the plus so you can demo trade. So make sure that you create a demo account. Just click right here on the plus. I already did that, so that is why it's standing now trade. But then click there on the plus icon. Then afterwards we go right here to trading tools where we select right here MetaTrader 5 desktop app. Now he's downloading right here the MetaTrader 5 setup. So we click right now on the setup and then we do yes. And then right now we click here on next. And then he's installing right here the MetaTrader 5. So now we wait a few seconds until the download is done right now. And now we click here on finish. And then he will automatically open the MetaTrader 5 and then this Oanda logo pops up. Then we do next. And then right now we select right here, connect with existing trading account. And then you go right here to your email because in your email you will find your credentials. So I place it right here. And I place my password right there. And then we do finish. And there we are, guys. Now we just logged in to the MetaTrader 5 application. And this is how you can connect Oanda to MetaTrader 5. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.